Guys, come here. You see this house? Last year I came here to determine if ghosts are real, and the answer was yes. Now I'm back to uncover the full story. Come with me. Casey? Jeff? What the hell is wrong?
Whatever it is, it's back.
I thought you got rid of it.
When you left last time, we ordered sage and did a smudging ceremony to remove all the spirits.
I demand that you leave. Well, see, the activity died down for a little while, but not anymore.
Why is this place so haunted?
Well, we think it could be the bad energy left over from the original owner.
Well, on the surface, this house looks pretty normal.
It was built in 1934 by a doctor who had a dark side.
We found out he was in the KKK, and he wasn't the nicest to his patients.
What is it?
He had patients in the house, too.
Why in the hell didn't you take your medicine?
Because I didn't want to.
I need to show you something. Come here. So when we originally bought the house, there were locks on the outside of all the doors. I'm assuming that it was to keep his patients from escaping. But let me show you this. This is really creepy. So for some reason, which I can't figure out why, he installed a passageway going from the master bedroom into the closet. Maybe it was to check in on his patients at night. Who knows? So we don't know for sure, but the ghost could either be him or one of his patients. So the attic is where a lot of really strange stuff happens. Well, one time I was climbing up in the attic and something grabbed my leg. Mitch, come on up. So up here we hear a lot of weird noises. Sometimes music playing, sometimes real aggressive stomping and pounding. There's just a lot of strange activity and just an ominous feel to it. Last time we put a camera up here to see if we could capture something, and we did. There was a doll that moved. It was pretty creepy. So we found a few boxes up here that didn't belong to us, and some of them had some creepy clown stuff in it. So just to be safe, we burned it. So like the stereotypical haunted house, we have things get moved around, see shadowy figures, hear footsteps, voices, whispers. But let me tell you about the bedroom. So one night I was home alone trying to go to sleep, and I felt something enter the room. It pressed down on the bed next to me. I could feel it breathing. I heard it whisper something in my ear, and then it rushed right through me.
What did it feel like?
Cold electricity. When I sat up, the door pushed open aggressively, as if somebody had just left the room.
The ghosts don't social distance, that's for damn sure.
We've noticed that it gets more active around the house when someone's home alone. It's like it knows.
Anything else?
We've had countless experiences here. The craziest of all was when I got up one night, opened the basement door, something pushed me down the stairs. So when I fell, I landed and broke this step with my rib cage, and then I crashed through this with my head and landed on the concrete floor. But whatever it is, it doesn't come down here in the basement. See, the basement was unfinished until we moved in and we finished it. If we're down here playing pool, we can hear footsteps running around upstairs. It's like the ghosts know we aren't around, and so they have free reign of the house.
They?
Well, we don't know exactly, but we're pretty sure there's more than one.
Guys, with all of this activity, why in the hell do you guys still live here?
Well, the ghosts aren't paying our mortgage. We are.
And we sort of just learned to live with whatever's here, be it a spirit, ghost, or something else. I mean, they're just gonna have to learn that this is our house. It's not theirs.
Maybe they're crazy, maybe they're brave, but the real question is, would you live in a house that's haunted. All right, I got the cameras rolling. Sleep well. See you in the morning.